Used to feel like a king every time that I ride out. Make a call, cuddle, in the morning I slide out. Chat is this and that too, who cares what they lied about? Do things by the book now, no longer I hide out. Gotta show some guts, that's direction to glory. So pay close attention what I write in the story. Being single for so long was starting to bore me. Some just wanna explore and others adore me. Never yearn to be locked up and learn from my mistake. Every day is like my birthday, just minus the cake. Every move I make now, calculated precision. They did me wrong, from now on, just know it's tunnel vision. 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 This particular morning felt good when I woke up. Hearing rumors that we split, but we never broke up. If I took a break now, wanna sail the 7 seas, or take a stroll with me to the land of golden bees. Just wanna relax, canopy hooked to the trees. This rap thing is a breeze, I love it, comes with ease. Sometimes I'm impatient, how long I gotta wait? Was a struggle in the beginning, but now it's going great. I honor, treasure the joy of a two-way exchange. People hooked up, wrapped up on one thing and it's strange. Every move I make, calculated precision. They did me wrong, from now on, just know it's tunnel vision. Tunnel vision. Tunnel vision. Tunnel vision. Tunnel vision. Tunnel vision. Tunnel vision.